What's up guys, Cars Across Texas here today, and today you join me here. I got a Saturday off, so we're at the Saturday Motoring Club, I think, meet. They have like 150 million Paganis here, so let's go check out some really cool cars. Let me know what your favorite car is in today's video down in the comments below. And remember, it's sponsored by your boy. I sell cars. If you need anything brand new, Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, Ram, or anything at all pre-owned, from Priuses to Lambos, I got you. So hit me up if you're looking for a new ride. Let's get right on down to the show. All right, boys, it seems we've timed it up perfectly. We got some Paganis rolling in, some paninis, some fancy sandwiches with a V12.
Found where all the other ones are.
There we go. Last time I saw so many Paganis was Car Week. What a spec. Carbon fiber galore. Chavez, one of his Wyras, got a Wyra Roadster rolling in. Oh my goodness, this one is nice. Driven by somebody in high school. What in the hell?
Junior high.
Yeah, right. Nice, my camera's goofing, so it's stopping recording. There you go, that's a color on the 765. AMG Black Series. Oh my goodness. That's a spec right there. Tiffany blue on Tiffany blue on Tiffany blue. And we got a Wyra BC. Golf blue GT4 RS. Can't hide money. SF90 on some crazy looking wheels. Twin turbo STO. Urus Performante. Oh my god, what a squad, man. Look at that, a Tech Art Turbo S. From Mexico. Ah, yes, there we go. You got the wide body Hellcat, Roush Mustang. I think that's a Kith M4. We got an SVJ rolling in. What a squad, man. Y'all ever see so many dollar bills just casually roll by in one continuous video clip? Midnight Purple GT3 RS. And then a GT350, nice. All right, we got the lineup coming down here with all the Paganis. We do have the one that was already here that we did not get on video. This is quite the shot right here for the boys. What a squad, man. That's probably the thumbnail right there, boys. You're looking at it right now. I'm breaking the law, boys. We're on the other side of the chain that should be up more tight, but who cares? These guys already don't like me anyways.
This is great.
Right? You know you're a baller when you got the Machina Volante package, I think that's called, with the wing and the roof scoops. Roof scoops for the boys. Let's see if we can take a look inside. Some of my favorite details about the Paganis are just like the mirrors are so beautiful. But then if you can see in there, hopefully, I don't know, I need a polarizer, but man, the interior on Paganis is just insane as well. Oh, doors going up, billionaire status. Sus. Sus. The Paganis are cool, but the puppies are cooler. Hello, my friend. Hello, my friend. We're gonna get right here between these guys' heads. There we go, Paganis. Nice. That plate is crazy. Yellow on blue carbon. We saw this guy a few years ago in Car Week. Now boys, I think I might be wrong here, but I'm pretty sure this Pagani right here is the highest mileage Huayra in existence. If you follow him on the gram, it's one slow CRX. I think this thing has like 70 or 80,000 miles on it. You ever think you'd see the day when several very high spec 765s, 720 Spider, an AMG GTR Black Series all getting pushed to the side because there's no room besides the Paganis for them? I never thought I'd see the day coming in Texas, at least. See the Tiffany 765? That spec is absolutely insane. Man, realistically, boys, I'm taking this over any of the Paganis, man. I think it's perfecto. First, before we unveil these cars that have been posted all over Instagram already, we're gonna have a performance by a dance crew. Why? Not a chance we get those cars for a little while. So we're gonna come down here. We got some other goodies, including this Carbon Edition Ford GT here, which is just oh so nice. We got the Akrapovic exhaust in the back. We'll show you the Angry Pig back here. There we go, next to a silver LFA, red interior, looking mighty fine. Holy shit, 2 legendary V10s in the LFA and then the Carrera GT. I didn't expect to see this here today. Nice, look at this interior. Hell yeah, we got the real wood shifter and everything in there. That's a man's car. We got some Hennessey Venom F5s over here in yellow on yellow with twin turbo LS V8 inside, doors that go up, billionaire status. We got another carbon Ford GT and the carbon fiber wheels, and then another carbon fiber wheel GT. Just looking so crazy. I'm gonna go in the front over here real quick. Actually, I've never seen the inside of a Venom F5. I kind of want to take a look real quick. Oop. Look at that interior. Keep on going down the line. Like I said, we got the 4 GTs here, 2 of them. Got some more Venom F5s here as well. White with blue stripes, brown interior. It's kind of a classic American spec. You need that on an American supercar like the Venom F5. Keep on going down the line. We kind of got the inverse here in the blue with white stripes, brown interior, Venom F5, looking nice. McLaren Senna, always going to be extra crazy. Looks like a couple people have already left. But down here all alone, we have another Ford GT. And a Technica rolling in over there. Nice. Alrighty boys, we are on the other side of the show here real quick. We got a Huracan rolling through. We got the Pajero Evolution here. Keep on going down the line. Looks like we got a nice little 765 and a Tech Art Turbo S. So many people here though, this is insane. Keep on going down the line. We got the AMG GT Black Series here on Ferrata wheels of all things. A very nice 812 super duper fast on some very nice wheels as well. Another Artura, starting to see a little bit more of these. We had the teal one start coming out a little bit. Now I got this white one here looking good. Probably a dealership. I know it has registration sticker, so maybe it's an owner. We got a couple of very nice cars rolling out though. And the 765 LT Spider and the Gentani SVJ. This spec is insane. Red, gold, carbon, the whole 9 yards. That is insane. I got the Gentani SVJ rolling out. Listen to that idle. The cops at the car culture would have given him a ticket for noise just at idle. We got some more of the boys that we got rolling in, the 63 SVJ and the McLarens over here. We do have another very nice 765 LT Spider, it looks like, on some cool wheels, purple on bronze. Even the bucket seats have like bronze lining in them inside there. That's a pretty cool spec. We got the Tiffany Blue on Tiffany Blue 765 LT Spider here on the chrome wheels, looking extra crazy. This spec is insane. Carbon fiber stripe and all the carbon down here. That's wild. We got the Super Trofeo Stradale 1 of 50 rolling through. The most crazy Gallardo that you can get. Perfect 600 LT rolling out as well. Fistral blue, red brakes. Again, boys, the cars are cool, but we have the puppies. Hello, my friend. You are just having the best time here, huh?
Yeah, he likes.
Yeah.
He's a social dog.
Man, Carrera GT's giving some little baby revs. Oh my God, that scared the hell out of me. There we go. That's a man right there. All right, time to go to the exit. There we go. What the hell? Oh no! What a terrible day to have ears.
Yeah. I'm gonna go with him. 5 minutes down the road.
This guy looks famous.
Oh, my bad.
Let's hear it, buddy. My boy Alex for the boys.
Where you at?
Got the E90 M3 4-door rolling out for the boys. Let's hear it, bud. There we go. Rolling 5 deep in the M3. Inferno orange is such a nice color on the C6s. Hell yeah, buddy. Huh? I mean, fuck it, why not? Boys, you can't hide money. You can't hide it. God damn. How much carbon do you want? Yes, all of it.
Yes, bro,
hell yeah, buddy.
God fucking bless you. God damn. Shit, I got
Not the Camry.
Come on, Mom, hit that.
We got the 488 Pasta Rigatoni.
Let that bitch out.
Man, that guy's got an immaculate Fu Manchu in there. Hey boys, y'all think Kia Optimas do burnouts? What it do? Ah, that's what it do! Hell yeah, buddy! Looking at 650. The motorcycle boys rolling out deep. Oh my God, brother. It's Texas Turn Me in the Mr. Chrome thing. Yes, sir. Talk about perfection, buddy. What the trolley do?
To the Rango.
He got that McDonald's spec, yellow over red. He's going in the garage.
I tried to warn y'all. Like, we're gonna go shoot him later after we get the Paganis, but like...
Oh, he's revving in the garage now. He bagged it. Woo! That thing running rich.
Hey, watch out, watch out! 4GT! Find that out too! Hey, hold these guys right here, hold me here.
Woo! There we go. This thing's pretty sick. It's like a Viper Green M3 on TEs. You're sending it for the boys.
Are you able to pip them?
That's the third AMG Black Series of the show. You got the homie, I haven't seen him in forever. And the CTS V1. Hey bro, what'd they pull you over for at the car culture?
Excessive noise.
Ah yeah, they got like 50 other people for that.
It was like one of the first ones.
And your car's not even particularly loud.
It was my brother. He owes me.
Yeah, right? Another victim of the car culture cops for excessive noise in like a stock exhaust in SX. Damn, son. And then the boys running after. It's just really funny hearing like cammed LS noises come from a supercar. Ah, yes. There we go. Perfecto. We got the shots. All right, cool. Little baby sin from the Pagani.
Oh, there's a cam car.
There we go. That is the thumbnail, maybe. There's the Zonda just being driven on the roads, crazy. Alright boys, hopefully you enjoyed today's video. Lots of crazy builds of crazy cars, Paganis of all things. You know, we have like 12 of them. That was like $30 million in cars alone with just that brand there. So hopefully you enjoyed the video. Leave me some likes, comments. Tell me what your favorite car was in today's video down in the comments below. And remember, I sell cars. If you need a new ride, hit me up. And I'll catch you in the next one, guys. Peace.